to do so with immediate effect, so that we won't be washed away very soon. Yes, secondly, I took some time to visit some schools in my constituency, and I noticed that we have good schools, good equipment, but we lack teachers. So I want to call on the Honorable Commissioner for Basic Education, Professor Ejike, to, as a matter of urgency, do everything within her powers to recruit teachers, qualified ones, that we assist in grooming our children, because they are the future we are looking at. Another important issue I want to touch is the issue of crazy bills being given to my people by the EEDC. Mr. Speaker, please, I would like to see this opportunity to plead with them. Our people are always eager to pay for power consumed, not the ones not consumed. This issue of estimated billing system is fraudulent and is an act of corruption that I would like to be investigated by the anti-corruption agencies of the federal government. Finally, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you and encourage you for your emergence as the Speaker of the 7th Assembly. I know what you can do. I know you are a knocking fighter, but know it that you are like a coach, a football coach, that has Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, and all the top players. The people that are members of this 7th Assembly are all top players. So I would like you to know how to meander and galvanize all of us together. Finally, to the people of my constituency, they pushed me to this place.